Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, of course, first and foremost, let us big up all the father them. Especially the real father them, we did it with the youth them. You know what I mean? Through thick and through thin. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Now, the music industry viewers and subscribers, big up all foundation artists who have contributed to the growth of dancehall and reggae music on a whole. But we're going to focus specifically, viewers and subscribers, for two of the most influential father figures in a dancehall music currently and of the last decade, we can say, viewers and subscribers. Of course, we are talking about Vybz Kartel and Father Bounty, viewers and subscribers. Father Bounty, for the contributions that he has made to the dancehall industry by giving that break to whole heap of aspiring artists, viewers and subscribers, that helped to continue the legacy of dancehall music itself. That contribution is immense. Now, Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, for continuing that legacy, that foundation, that thought set by Bounty Killa. So what you know? It's when you have that ability or that opportunity where you can help another individual in the music industry, do it, because it is beneficial for the genre, for the industry itself. You have to bring new talent to the forefront so people can say, yo, dancehall is still growing, dancehall music is not stagnant. And also for the fact that Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, and his musical contributions have set the foundation for these artists right now. From the image to the style to even the lyrical content where artists can talk about now like it's the norm, even though it is the norm, and the teacher pointed out that. So watch you know, even though you hear it in a song now, and every artist I talk about it in a song, it is a lifestyle being lived. So we just bring the realness to music, and nowadays that is the norm. People are bringing the realness to music. If I dial and collect, people are talking on the music. So you are dial and collect our one, you know. If he's in the streets, Nick, people are talking and say, what you know, in the streets we go for our one, you know. Vybz Kartel has brought that to music viewers and subscribers. That level of creativity where people can just be themselves, even though they are still pretenders. People are pretend for dial, people are pretend for in the streets. We know that are going, but we have to still big up Bounty Killa and Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers for their father role in a dancehall music. Even currently right now, in a dancehall music, while some people are comfortable with weird dancehall music, is that Vybz Kartel is saying, no, when last we know about dancehall artists, a hardcore dancehall artist, roots rock dancehall artist, even though we're not saying that Sean Paul them, Beanie them, and Shaggy them are not homegrown Jamaicans. We are not saying that, viewers and subscribers. We are saying, we talk about hardcore dancehall music. These are not artists that we mentioned. Talk the truth. The only time Beanie is mentioned in the hardcore scene is when we are keep a big stage show and we want Beanie for close it and come sting, stand the giddy then and make the girl them dance, or when we are mentioned the lyrical confrontation with Bounty Killa. Other than that, we will consider Beanie as somewhat as a commercial dancehall artist. Same thing for Sean Paul. Same thing for Shaggy. Big up Shaggy. Bombastic or something definitely put Jamaican music on the map. Big them up. You know what I mean? Shabba them do it early out. And yes, we do consider Shabba as a hardcore dancehall artist. You know what I mean? So I'm the only one. And Vybz Kartel, I say, what you going on, man? We need a Grammy for the dancehall side. We don't have none for the dancehall side, but people don't notice the amount of reggae star we have reggae Grammy. And listen to me too, it is a reggae Grammy. But still a lobby for this hard. We need a dancehall category. But hey, we're not too on board now with the chat. But we need that dancehall category, viewers and subscribers, at the Grammys. Food for thought. Think about it. They need to tell you how we can, you know what I mean, petition that so we can get that or some changes need to be made. We need to know what needs to happen for that change to be made. Because we know right now them supposed to have a Afrobeat category, don't it? Think about it. Them supposed to have a Afrobeat category in the car. Davido, Afrobeat, Wizkid them. Even though the boy Wizkid was there. If don't ever him do it still, that's just the people that's what them say. But all of these artists who are doing extremely well, selling gold records all over the world and something. Them now get the Grammy. What them are consider them gonna try to give them the Grammy in the rap category. What will the North Americans say? That we can't do that. So you have to go create an Afrobeat category. No, tell the truth. Dancehall no make before Afrobeat. I don't know. I'm gonna explain that. So if Afrobeat can't have category at the Grammys, you don't feel like dancehall deserve one. Afrobeat are basically dancehall itself, with African creativity added. Okay, in Africa, hey, are the most creative set of people, man. Man, them dance to nothing. Anyway, I feel like if them all get a category at the Grammys, we are gonna need one to think about it. With Father's Day, who they are all of vibes, think about it. We're gonna need one category, then give one to Afrobeat. Any genre of music created after dancehall music and its establishment, we get Grammy category. We are gonna need one too. You know what I mean? We are gonna need one to reggaeton of them category. But we not get them. I'm gonna talk about that. I mention it. Now, as I was say, big up all fathers. The Father's Day. You know what I mean? You don't know thing. And as I was say, in the music, I don't know about you, but in my personal opinion, especially the artists that I listen to. Majority of the artists in the dancehall music that I say, somewhat of a fan of them. We talk about artists from, that time period. We say, why upon a time? Why upon a party? From that point in time, we say, a bounty really bring them to prominence. In my point of view. Because we listen, once I shot them. Majority of the artists we listen to them cassette vibes. They ever got Circus of Mellors and them listen to some cassette. Because some of them songs they are cassette in the pan. They live on the platform right now. And you know what I mean? I'm bound to bring them artists to prominence. In these modern times, majority of the artists in the dancehall music who me listen to and who are bringing a vibe in the music right now are artists where Vybz Kartel has brought to prominence. Majority of the artists them whether me listen to them or not that are, dominant in the game and people are listening to are people that have used Vybz Kartel's style of dancehall music to enhance their career and their style of musical delivery. So, the statement is still true. These two artists can definitely be considered the father of dancehall music in these generations. You know what I mean? And we have to big them up. They know the something go. You know what I mean? You got all fathers, see me. Talk to me in the comment section if you want subscribers. Tell me what you feel like, say, Bounty Killer or Vybz Kartel will be remembered for in the sense of being a father in a dancehall music. Talk to me in the comment section about that. You know what I mean? Yeah. Tell me what you feel like, say, differently from their respective youth them in a real life. Because I remember say Vybz Kartel youth them at the music. You know what I mean? Yeah, Vybz Kartel youth them at the music and have thriving careers too. You know what I mean? Big up Little Addy too. You know what I mean? Yeah, him can at this point in time him can say what he must celebrate Father's Day too. Big up Little Addy. Yeah, big up Little Addy said speed. Addy, the granddaddy in a dancehall music, literally. You know what I mean? Yeah, that literal father figure in a dancehall music. Big up yourself, my general. Big up Bounty Killer. Big up all other artists that have contributed to dancehall and dancehall's growth. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're not trying to minimize them contributions. At no point in time, we celebrate all dancehall accolades. Because from it's a win for dancehall, then it's a win for dancehall. We don't question it. We don't question the win for dancehall as long as it's a win for dancehall. And it's, in the proper settings. Because, and everything where people celebrate, just like what them saying, everything with glitter gold. And every achievement that some people are celebrate as achievements are actually achievements. So, with that being said, you know what I mean? From it's a win for dancehall music, then we don't see why people shouldn't be celebrating it. So, big up all fathers and talk to me in the comment section about the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, now move settings and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper until we reason again. And if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon. You know what I mean? Put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. The like icon there, drop a like on the blog for me like we here. Comment section home 24/7, never lock it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions, dear viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? And as I said before, out move settings fam. And we no need no ladder. And yes, my sentiments for you and yours, if we no live, love and prosper until we reason again.